My name is Jared Farmer. I'm one of the operating partners here at RV Select. I can't wait to show you an in-depth video of this 23 Cornerstone behind us. We're also going to start doing more in-depth videos with our service techs, our delivery coordinator. That way you get the ins and outs and all small details that we do here at RV Select. Now look at this paint job. Look at this red, white stripe, black metallic with these black racing wheels. The customer on this particular coach upgraded these wheels and tires to the blackout package, about a $20,000 options. I don't know about y'all guys, but this makes me want to go racing. And this thing is made almost for racing. This thing is equipped with a 605 horsepower engine in this coach. Now you think the outside of this coach is nice? Wait till you see the inside. We can't go any farther than the cockpit right here, and there's a reason. Look how nice these chairs are. Look how big this chair is, and look at this over here. Does it not look like a spaceship cockpit? Look at this right here. I know I'm getting a little older, which is, not a good thing, but I know my eyes are going, but look how big this thing is. I mean, all the numbers, the letters, all the push features over here. You can do your shades, your climate. You can pretty much run almost everything from the center console right here. And what you can see behind this right here is, I'm not a small guy. You can see right here, look how nice and cozy these chairs are. And it doesn't get any better than this. This little control right here can pretty much run everything. You've got heated seats, massage seats, pulse, whatever you want. So it actually is going down the road. You can get a nice little massage as you're going down the road, which is really, really nice feature to have. Another nice option this coach has is this booth. You either get the option of chairs or a booth. I prefer the booth. It's really, really nice and very comfortable in here to be able to sit. Another reason I like the booth is because behind the cameraman, and we'll show you in a second, is a televator where the TV comes up in the coach. It's very nice to be able to sit when you're driving down the road, or when you're just hanging out having your coffee in the morning, watching the news, or whatever you want to do. You can face this way, still be comfortable with the padded seats, and still be able to watch the TV. We have a Whirlpool convection oven with an optional dishwasher, which makes it really nice to have when you're here in the kitchen. You have plenty of galley space. You have cooktop right here. And this is a really nice option right here. More of a farm sink in here, where you have that big, deep sink in here with no divider, with this stainless steel. It makes it really, really nice and big and open here in your kitchen. First, the seating we talked about, and the biggest thing that we come in is the bath and a half option right here. This is a very, very nice option right here. When you have a bath and a half coach, when you have families or you're tailgating, which what I like to do with motorhomes, whether you're going to football games or you're picnicking or whatever you want, the main guests have their own bathroom in the back, the owners. And what's nice is you have a pocket door divider right here that you can separate, and then all your other guests, whether it's coming in for a tailgate like we talked about, or kids, or whatever the circumstance, they have their own bathroom to use, and then the primary guests have their own in the back. But I think it's a really nice feature to have when you're buying a motorhome. For me in particular, is sinks. A lot of coaches, when you go, no one talks about it, whether it be a single sink or double sink, or a dual sink. I like to have a double sink in the back. I love my wife to death, but when you're going out there, and whether it be makeup, blow dryers, toothbrushes, and everybody's sharing a sink in the back, it can be really chaotic. I think that's one of the most underrated decisions when buying your coach. It's very, very nice to have that sitting option for whatever preference you use it for. It's a nice option to have. Now this would probably be my wife's favorite option, and a lot of women really prefer to have this, is the walk-in closet. You have plenty of room and plenty of storage for all your clothes. Now you got to take a brief step up into this because you got to get over that 605 horsepower in this coach right here. But look at all the room, the LED lights. You have places for your shoes, all your clothes, all your jackets or whatever you need. You have plenty of room. And what's really nice about this as well is you have a stacker washer and dryer in this coach as well to be able to do all your needs in this, and it's far enough away where you're not going to hear anything as well. I'd love to hear from you out there. Make sure you put a comment what you'd like to see next, and we will be waiting for you here at RV Select.